In the shadow of the forest, something moves like a ghost. Two long white ribbons, each longer than the bird's own body, trail behind it like silk caught in the wind. For a moment, you question what you just saw. Was that a bird or something out of a dream? This is the Indian Paradise Flycatcher, Terpsiphone paradisi, and its name is no exaggeration. Found across Pakistan, India, Nepal, Afghanistan, and stretching east into China, this bird has enchanted naturalists, poets, and wildlife filmmakers for centuries. The male is unmistakable, a head of deep, glossy black, almost metallic, crowned with an erect crest that rises like a king's crown. Around each eye, a vivid electric blue ring, and behind him, those extraordinary tail feathers, sometimes stretching 30 centimeters beyond his body, stream through the air with every twist and turn. In Pakistan, this bird graces the forests of Azad Kashmir, the foothills of KPK, and the shaded woodlands of Punjab and Sindh. But here is something most people don't know. The male Indian Paradise Flycatcher exists in two completely different color forms, what scientists call morphs. The white morph is the one that stops people in their tracks. Pure, brilliant white body with that jet black crested head. The rufous morph carries rich cinnamon brown wings and tail, with the same glossy black head and blue eye ring. Both are the same species, both are equally stunning, and a male doesn't fully grow his long ribbon tail until he reaches maturity. Younger males carry shorter tails, still learning their role in the forest. The female, by contrast, is far more understated, rufous above, gray below with a modest tail. In the forest, she is built for invisibility. He is built for impression. Breeding season brings the forest to life with purpose. From March through to July, pairs form, and the male's long tail, already an extraordinary ornament, becomes his most powerful asset in attracting a mate. Together, the pair constructs one of the most elegant nests in the bird world. Deep cup, woven from fine plant fibers, bark strips, and cobwebs, fixed into the fork of a low branch, often near water, compact, neat, and almost perfectly disguised. The female lays 2 to 4 eggs, and here is where this bird surprises us. Both parents share incubation duties, both take turns warming the eggs, both feed the chicks. The paradise flycatcher lives in the shaded interior of forests, dense, well-wooded habitats with thick canopy cover and tangled undergrowth. It is not a bird of open fields or rooftops. It belongs to the forest, and the forest belongs to it. It hunts entirely on the wing, with sudden, explosive aerial sallies from a favored perch. It intercepts flying insects mid-air, dragonflies, moths, beetles, with pinpoint precision, then returns almost always to the exact same branch. It is diurnal, active through the day, weaving between shafts of light and deep shadow, those long tail feathers making it one of the most visually arresting hunters in the avian world. The Indian Paradise Flycatcher is a partial migrant. Northern populations, including those breeding in Pakistan and Azad Kashmir, move south and to lower elevations as winter approaches, retreating from the cold that sweeps down from the Himalayas. Southern populations, where the climate is kinder, may remain year-round. It is currently listed as least concern by the IUCN, its population spread across a vast range providing some buffer. But habitat loss is a growing pressure. As forests are cleared and degraded, the shaded woodland interiors this species depends on quietly disappear. A bird that needs forest will only survive as long as forest survives. The Indian Paradise Flycatcher asks nothing of us but that we leave the forest standing. It does not adapt to cities. It does not settle for degraded scrubland. It demands the real thing: old trees, dense canopy, clean air, and the sound of running water nearby. In that sense, wherever this bird still flies, the forest is still alive, and that, perhaps, is reason enough to protect both.